Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can make $50 daily if you will put in the work. So I'm going to show you that in this particular platform called Ysense, you will be able to generate good money for yourself if you will put in the work, and you're going to see the result. So guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ysense. I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing, and every other thing that has to do with making money online. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and turn the notification bell to all, so once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like, so that it will help YouTube to recommend this video to other people who are searching for how to make money online. As you know, that this platform I'm talking about is Ysense. Ysense is actually a survey website which can help you, or is a place that you can earn extra cash online. And to be sincere, you can earn $400 to $600 a month if you would put in the work, because the platform is legit and is paying. And I myself that is making the review, I've earned some money from this particular platform. So like you know, Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. There are so many options available on this particular platform that helps you to earn money online. Now when you join, you will start earning money online immediately. You start earning money online immediately. That is a good thing about this particular platform. And another thing is that you need to know that this particular platform was initially known as Qservers, but now it has been changed to Ysense. So when someone talk about Qservers or Ysense, they're talking about one particular platform. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to sign up an account so that you see how you can sign up an account, verify your account, and how you can perform some surveying and so many other things that you need to know about this particular platform before you can get started. So guys, there's a link at the description of that below. Click on the link at the description of this video, then it should bring you to this platform called Ysense. To those who do not know about the description of this video is the title of this video, that is earn $50 daily doing a simple task. So that is the description of this video. Just click on it, then you are going to see the link at the description. Click on the link and it's going to bring you to this place. So as you can see that the sign up, we're already on the sign up page. The sign up is very simple. It says sign up for free and start earning. So what you're going to do, once you come to this place, you put in your email address. As you can see, I want to input my email address to sign up an account so that you can see how it is done on this platform. And most importantly, if you know that you are here to make some bunk of money for yourself with your free time, working online, completing survey and so many other things, it is very important whenever you are signing up to use your correct information. I always say this: use your correct information, so that whenever they want to pay you your money, you are not going to have any issues. So here you put your right email, then you put in your password. Make sure you put in a strong password, the one that you will not forget. Then click on agree to the terms of condition. You click on agree, then you click on join now. So we're going to join now. So we're on the step 1. It says let's get to know you a little better. What do you like to be called? What do you like to be called? Your name. You put in your name, your first name, then what last name do you want to be called? So put in your last name, then click on next. Make sure you follow the simple step-by-step guide so that your account will be verified. Then it said thank you. Lastly, please create a username. What username do you want to use? So create your username, then complete. Signing up account for us. Yeah, so you are all set. Thanks for updating your details. So you're signing up to our account right now. Make sure you follow this step-by-step guide so that you won't have any issue. You won't have any issue. As you can see, we have successfully created our account. As you can see, we have successfully created our account. But there's something very important that we need to do. We need to agree to all the Ysense policy. We need to agree to all, and not just that, we also need to verify our email address. So it is important you verify your email address. You see, we care about your privacy. So and so that blah 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 blah. So agree to all. All you need to do is click here, agree to all. You agree to all, then you click on agree and continue. Yeah, here is our account. We have successfully signed up an account, and look at what he wrote here. Look at what it shows here. It's a verification link has been sent to your email address. Here's the email address. You must click this link to activate your account. It's important to click on that link, and in case you have signed up and you did not see the link, it is important to click resend it. And to those people who only check their email inbox, it is important to check both your scan folder and inbox to also check whether the message is there. So we'll log into my email address. You can see here is the message. I've sent it to us. Ysense send the email to us. You can see activate your Ysense account, action required. Ysense unlock an extensive earning opportunity. Then you click on activate my account. So we're going to activate our account right now. All you need to activate it, you just click on the verification link sent to your email and your account will be activated. You can see our account has been activated. You can see that our account has been successfully activated. Then all you need to do here is just cut out from there and come to this place. You can see so many surveys right now. Just immediately we just sign up, created an account. You see that I've given us so many surveys that we can complete. See, complete a survey and earn cash. You see survey here 25 cents. When you complete the survey, 62 cents. You see, look at this huge amount of money, $3.26. Look at this, $4.50, and so many others surveys. You see, all these surveys are survey tasks that you can complete and you will be rewarded. And most importantly, there's something I want to show you guys here. You see this survey right here, and you see this. You see, look at this. There is a red flag here. There is a red flag here, and here there is no flag. There is no flag here, and the last one there is no flag, and this there is flag and there is flag. What this is trying to say that you will complete this survey. Are you getting? You complete this survey, but your money will be credited to you after 30 days. Are you getting it? Your money will be credited. Not that your money will not be credited to you. It will be credited to you, but it will be after 30 days. Unlike this one, once you complete this survey, you'll be credited immediately. You complete this, you'll be credited immediately. You also complete this, you'll be credited immediately. But anything that has to do with this red flag, you are going to be paid after 30 days. So it is important you know that. Also look at this. You see, you need to complete your profile. Your profile has not been completed, so it is important you complete your profile. Once you do that, you are going to earn 2 cents. So I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can complete your profile. Once you log into your account, let's go back to home. Go back home. So here is home. We have come to the main home page. As you can see, here's the home. You see your information here, your name, your email address, and your link, and so many other. Here are the ways that you can earn money. Number one is through paid surveying, cash offer, then referrals, and so others. So most importantly, what you need to do right now is to complete our profile. When you come to this platform, you click on your name right here, then you need to complete your profile. Go to profile and setting. Profile and setting, you need to complete your profiles and settings. So you look at it. When you come here, your username, you cannot change it. Your email, you cannot change it. Your name, you cannot change it, because I told you when you went to sign up, make sure you use the right information. Your address, you can put it, your city, and your zip code. Let me see if I can do this. I don't want to make this video too long, so that is why. Okay, city, state, in the state. Make sure put in the right information. Zip code, you can Google your zip code. Country is Nigeria, you don't need to change it. If you're not from Nigeria, you can pick your country. Every country is allowed to work on this platform, so there is no restriction. Every country can work on this platform. All you need to do, choose your country. You say your account update has been saved, then we go to our email. We don't need to change our email. Everything is correct. We don't need to change it. Password, we don't need to change it. So this one also, we don't need to. If you want to add your profile picture, let me see if you can add any profile picture. Let me add the profile picture so that you can see. So it is important as well for you to add your profile picture. If you have a profile picture, let me add this. Let me see. Okay, we have added a profile picture. Then you click on update. It's going to load a profile picture for us. It's loading. So you can see is your Aadhaar has been successfully updated. You can see our picture is here. Then another thing is payment. What payment method do you want to use? What payment method? There are so many payment methods. See, there are so many payment methods you can use. You can usually your usual payment option along with newly added payout option are now available at the reward store. Let's check here. Cash out. We don't want to cash out because we have not earned any money at all. So I just want to show you some of the payment methods. As you can see that they have so many payment methods. They have Amazon, which start from $5. If you want to use Amazon to cash out your money, you know that it starts from $5. Once you earn $5, you can use Amazon to cash out your money and you will be credited. You see Amazon DE, which $1, Amazon ES, which $20, Amazon UK, so which is also $25. They also have so many Amazon cards. You see Pioneer, they have $25. If you want to withdraw to your Pioneer account, you can. The minimum withdrawal is $25. If you don't know how to create a Pioneer account, I made a video on how you can create a Pioneer account. So watch the video and learn how to create your Pioneer account. If you're using Pioneer account, the minimum withdrawal is $25. Also PayPal is $10. If you want to withdraw through PayPal, withdraw money through PayPal, the minimum is $10. I have a video on that, on how to create a PayPal account. You can watch the video as well. It's $10. Also PayPal Euro $25, and rewards link entirely $12. You want to also withdraw with Skrill. Skrill as well is $5, and so many payment methods right here that you can use. So all you need to do is pick your payment method. Let's assume we're using PayPal. You can pick your PayPal payment method. See, which is $10. Then if you want to cash out, it depends on you. You can cash out $10, $25, $50, $100, $250. Then click on get reward. Simple as that. So you have to get the minimum withdrawal before you be allowed to input or select any of the payment method that you want. If you do not understand the tutorial so far, what you have done so far, you should leave me a comment. They have logged us out. Let me log in back. Just leave me a question if you don't understand what I've done so far. Leave me a comment and I'll be able to attend to you and put you through. So they want to log us back to our account. Okay, here we are. So another option, there's another option. Choose which email you would like to receive. Which email do you want to receive? And this also is link account. So guys, this is a walkthrough of how you can successfully link your PayPal account to redeem your earning. If you want to link your card, let's assume you want to link PayPal account right now, you can link it here. Link account right here, you can link it. So guys, this is how you can sign up an account on Ysense, complete your profile settings and so many other things on your account. So this is a video on how to get started. So guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how you can complete all these paid survey here, cash offer and referral and so many other things. So guys, watch out for my next video on how to do any of those things. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video tons of like, and don't be so selfish not to share this video. Share this video with your friends, those who are looking for ways to make money online. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, see you again on my next video. Bye bye and love you guys.